Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at what's in store for you for the first 15 days of May. And as these are general readings, they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Aries. Okay, so we have the Ace of Swords, the Devil, the Ace of Pentacles, okay, Wheel of Fortune, Five of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, Page of Swords, the Lovers, and the Knight of Cups. So Aries, what I feel here is that you are about to get, or you have already got, some new beginning. You have received or you are about to receive some sort of a new beginning. Okay, and this is really a very good beginning for you. It is going to give you a stable position. It may be totally new, okay, maybe totally unrelated to the past also, and it is something which can give you a stable foundation or a long-term stability if taken care of properly or if executed properly. Okay, because with the Devil being there, what I feel is that there is some sort of a tendency, and seeing the cards here, this brand new beginning can be in any area of your life, but there is something negative attached to it which you have to take care of. Okay, because somehow what I feel ahead here is that something is happening over here because of this Devil being there, something negative. Maybe there is some sort of addiction, some sort of a fear, something which may ruin this. Okay, because we have the Wheel of Fortune and the Five of Pentacles following it. So what I feel here is, it can be two things: either you may ruin it for the fear of something, or because of something which is not very good for this relationship or for this new beginning. Okay, and what, because of that, things may change against you, things may go against you. And here, because after this we have the Wheel of Fortune and the Five of Pentacles. So here what I feel here is that if you do not take care of anything negative which is holding you back, it can be some sort of a pattern, it can be some sort of addiction, some sort of obsessiveness, it can be anything which has to be taken care of for the proper execution of this new beginning. Because this new beginning is really good, but because of something negative, it can totally become a loss for you. You may not be able to bear the fruits of whatever this new beginning is giving to you, whatever this is. Because what I feel here is that something, you may not be able to bear the fruits of this new beginning, and things may change against you. With the Five of Pentacles, you may feel totally rejected, or the plans may fall off, totally abandoned, shattered. And if it is a financial thing, it may be a total financial loss. Okay, or if it is a relationship, then maybe you're totally rejected, ignored, whatever it is. But it is not a easy energy. It is something which is totally destroying the beauty of the new beginning which you are already in, or you may be getting it. Okay, because I'm trying to read it for the first 15 days of May, so maybe you are about to get it. It can be that, or it's in the air but you're not able to perceive it. Whatever it is, at whichever stage you are, but this new beginning has to be taken care of slowly and steadily and vigilantly. Do not let it, this Devil can be anything from the past. It can be past fears, it can be reluctancy to move forward. Maybe out of fear and panic you spoil it. It can be any damn thing. I don't know what it will be. It will be different for different people. Do let me know in the comment section below how it shapes up for each and every one of you. Okay, and what I feel is, and because of this Devil, things may change in a negative direction. With the Five of Pentacles, things may get, the plans may fall off, things may get ruined, something like that. Okay, But then we have the Queen of Pentacles over here, which is you are just taking a break. You are, though the plans have fallen off, but still this is a beautiful thing here, that you will not be in this energy for a long time. It will be a transient phase. You will understand, okay, this is the mistake I've committed, this is what needs to be corrected, and this is what you know, that this was my Ace of Pentacles, and this is how I've sort of, how I couldn't avail it or something like that. Okay, so this is the time you are spending after suffering this loss, after suffering this. If you do not take care of this devil energy or this negativity, now here you are just pondering on it. Okay, what it is, what went wrong, how it went wrong, how should I improve it? And this is the beauty of this energy with the Queen of Pentacles, that even if you are momentarily shattered, momentarily fallen, our plans are falling off, but still you will rebound, you will give it a look, you will give it a thought, and once you do that, you have the clarity to move ahead once again. With the Page of Swords, you have the clarity that now, okay, I need to move slowly and steadily. It will be have a clarity of a small step ahead. And then with the Lovers and the Knight of Cups, what I feel here is that either it is really a relationship over here which you are now moving towards, because we have the Knight of Cups also, or maybe you have choices here, maybe you have some options here as to which direction to move, because now you have the clarity, you have taken a deep look, you have understood how it was supposed to be, what went wrong, and you've understood what the mistake was, sort of. So here you are moving slowly and steadily. Now here with the Lovers, it can be you have two options, not necessarily in a relationship, it can be anything in life. Or lovers can be options, or it can be actually a relationship. But once you have the clarity, you move slowly towards it, towards this in a very, very balanced way, in a very, very composed way. And with the Knight of Cups, you are opening up emotionally, you are opening with all your heart towards or something or someone, whatever it is for you. So even if you are able to, I should say, take care of this negativity, whatever this devil means for you, perhaps you will be able to avoid or at least minimize the effects of this Five of Pentacles being there. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Arians. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Arians. Okay, we have the High Priestess here. So really, listen to your intuition. Do not let anything ruin this beautiful beginning over here. Listen to your intuition and weigh the pros and cons, and contemplate each and every move very judiciously. Whatever you are planning to do, how you need to move ahead, everything should be taken care of judiciously. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. This one has popped up. Messenger of action. Something new and exciting related to creativity or your career comes to your attention. You feel an eagerness to learn and you are ready to get going, although you may feel insecure. Do it anyway. This card, maybe this is the insecurity, that will I be able to do it or not? It can be as simple as that. But do it anyway. This card represents someone in your life, or maybe you yourself, who is creative, enthusiastic and fascinated by life and who wants to try everything. So Aries, just be aware. Don't spoil this beautiful beginning in any way. Do not let anything hamper it. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and don't forget to mention that in the comment section how it shapes up for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel too. Bye.